What if the healthiest diet was not built around expensive powders, extreme restrictions, or complicated meal plans, but around 12 ordinary foods you could eat every week? Foods that help your body maintain muscle, support your heart, stabilize energy, improve digestion, and protect your health as you age. Your body is constantly rebuilding itself. It needs protein to repair tissue, healthy fats to support the brain, fiber to feed the gut, and vitamins and minerals to keep thousands of processes working properly. When these nutrients are missing week after week, your body may respond with hunger, fatigue, cravings, or poor recovery. The good news is that you do not need to eat perfectly every day. You simply need to give your body the right nutritional signals consistently. By the end of this video, you will know 12 powerful foods worth placing on your weekly grocery list, including one simple food that may improve the value of almost every healthy meal you prepare. Let us begin with a food that was once unfairly feared but is now recognized as one of the most complete, convenient, and useful foods you can include in your weekly routine. For stronger muscles, better brain health, and lasting fullness, eggs are one of the simplest foods you can eat. They provide high-quality protein and essential amino acids that your muscles use for repair and maintenance, which becomes increasingly important for preserving strength, balance, metabolism, and mobility as you age. The yolk contains many of the egg's most valuable nutrients. It provides choline, which supports the brain and nervous system, along with vitamin B12, selenium, vitamin A, and healthy fats. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants associated with maintaining healthy vision as the eyes grow older. Try using eggs as more than a breakfast food. Add boiled eggs to salads, prepare an omelet with vegetables, or combine eggs with avocado and whole grain toast. You do not need an extreme amount. Including eggs several times each week can provide your body with a simple and reliable nutritional foundation. Next is a creamy food that does much more than deliver protein. Depending on the variety you choose, it may also introduce beneficial bacteria to one of the most influential systems in your entire body. For better digestion, stronger bones, and an easy protein boost, plain Greek yogurt is an excellent weekly food. Its protein can help you remain satisfied for longer, while its calcium supports your bones, muscles, and normal nerve function. Choosing an unsweetened variety also helps you avoid the added sugar found in many flavored yogurts. The live cultures found in some Greek yogurts may help support a healthier gut environment. Your digestive system does more than process food. It interacts with the immune system, influences nutrient absorption, and communicates with the brain through complex signals that may affect your appetite, mood, energy, and overall well-being. Add berries, chia seeds, cinnamon, or a few walnuts instead of relying on sugary toppings. Greek yogurt can work as breakfast, a filling snack, or the base of a creamy dressing. A few servings throughout the week can help increase your protein intake while supporting your bones and digestive health. And if you enjoy learning which everyday foods can make the biggest difference to your health, take a moment to subscribe to Healthy Grams. We break down nutrition in a simple, practical way so you can make smarter choices without extreme diets, unrealistic promises, or confusing rules. Food number 10 may look ordinary, but it contains a special type of fiber that can support your heart, digestion, appetite, and daily energy at the same time. For steadier energy, healthier cholesterol, and better fullness, oats are one of the most useful whole grains you can eat. They are rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system, helping slow digestion and supporting the removal of some cholesterol through the digestive tract. Because oats digest more gradually than many refined breakfast cereals, they may provide more stable energy and reduce the rapid rise and fall that can leave you hungry shortly after eating. Oats also provide magnesium, manganese, iron, and several B vitamins involved in normal energy production and metabolism. Prepare oats with milk or water, then add berries, chia seeds, cinnamon, nuts, or plain Greek yogurt. Avoid turning them into dessert with excessive sugar and syrup. Overnight oats, warm oatmeal, and homemade oat snacks can make this affordable whole grain easy to include several times throughout the week. The next food is one of the strongest natural sources of a type of fat that your brain, heart, and cells need, but that your body cannot produce in sufficient amounts on its own. For a healthier heart, sharper brain, and stronger muscles, salmon deserves a regular place in your weekly meals. It provides omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, which play important roles in brain function, heart health, cell membranes, and the body's normal inflammatory response. Salmon also provides complete protein, vitamin B12, selenium, and vitamin D. This combination makes it especially useful for supporting muscles, bones, energy metabolism, and the nervous system. A properly prepared salmon meal can feel deeply satisfying without requiring heavy sauces or highly processed ingredients. Try grilled, baked, or air-fried salmon with vegetables, and a fiber-rich carbohydrate such as sweet potato, beans, or brown rice. Eating fatty fish once or twice each week can diversify your protein sources while providing important nutrients that may be less abundant in many everyday diets. Healthy fats are only one part of the equation. Your body also needs vegetables that deliver an unusually concentrated package of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protective plant compounds without adding many calories. For better circulation, stronger bones, and cellular protection, leafy green vegetables are among the most nutrient-dense foods available. Spinach, kale, and arugula provide folate, vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, while containing relatively few calories, making them an easy way to improve almost any meal. Leafy greens also provide natural nitrate compounds that the body can convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps blood vessels relax and supports healthy circulation. Their fiber contributes to digestive health and adds volume to meals, which may help you feel satisfied without depending on heavily processed or calorie-dense foods. You do not need to eat plain bowls of raw kale every day. Add spinach to eggs, mix arugula into sandwiches, blend greens into soups, or sauté them with garlic and olive oil. Eating different varieties throughout the week gives your body a wider range of vitamins, minerals, and protective plant compounds. The next food proves that something naturally sweet can still fit into a healthy routine while supporting your brain, blood vessels, digestion, and the way your body responds to sugar. For brain protection, healthy aging, and fewer sugar cravings, berries are one of the smartest fruits to eat each week. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries provide fiber, vitamin C, and colorful compounds called anthocyanins, which may support the body's defenses against oxidative stress and cellular damage. Berries are naturally sweet, but their fiber and water content make them very different from candy, pastries, and sugary drinks. They can satisfy the desire for sweetness while providing useful nutrients and taking longer to digest. Raspberries and blackberries are especially rich in fiber compared with many other fruits. Use fresh or frozen berries in yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or as a simple dessert. Frozen varieties are often affordable, convenient, and easy to store. Eating berries several times each week is a simple way to add flavor, color, fiber, and protective nutrients without depending on large amounts of added sugar. Food number 6 is inexpensive, filling, and strongly connected with some of the healthiest traditional eating patterns around the world. It can also feed organisms inside your digestive system that play an important role in your health. For better digestion, steadier energy, and lasting fullness, beans and lentils provide a powerful combination of plant protein, slow-digesting carbohydrates, and fiber. They are also rich in folate, iron, potassium, magnesium, and other minerals that support energy production, muscle function, circulation, and daily health. The fiber in beans and lentils feeds beneficial bacteria in the large intestine. These bacteria can produce short-chain fatty acids that help nourish the cells lining the colon. This is one reason fiber-rich foods are so valuable. They are not only feeding your body but also supporting the helpful organisms living inside your gut. Add lentils to soups, chickpeas to salads, black beans to rice bowls, or white beans to tomato-based dishes. Canned varieties can save time. Simply rinse them to remove some of the sodium. A few servings each week can make your meals more filling, affordable, balanced, and supportive of digestive health. The next food is famous for its fat content, but the type of fat it contains is exactly what makes it so valuable, especially when it replaces butter, processed spreads, or heavy sauces. For heart health, better nutrient absorption, and more satisfying meals, avocado is a valuable food to include each week. It is rich in monounsaturated fat, which can help meals feel more filling and support the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients such as vitamins A, D, E, and K when eaten with other healthy foods. Avocado also provides fiber, potassium, folate, and vitamin E. Potassium plays an important role in fluid balance, muscle contractions, nerve signals, and healthy blood pressure. Many people consume plenty of sodium but not enough potassium-rich whole foods, which makes avocado a useful addition to a balanced eating pattern. Spread avocado on whole grain toast, add it to salads, blend it into a dressing, or serve it beside eggs and beans. Portion still matters because avocado is energy-dense, but using it in place of butter, creamy sauces, or highly processed spreads can improve the overall nutritional quality of your meal. Now we come to a family of vegetables that may support some of your body's most interesting natural defense and detoxification systems without relying on juices, powders, or restrictive cleanses. For natural detoxification support, better gut health, and cellular protection, cruciferous vegetables are powerful weekly choices. Broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts provide fiber, vitamin C, folate, vitamin K, and sulfur-containing plant compounds, including substances involved in the formation of sulforaphane. These vegetables support the body's natural detoxification enzymes. This does not mean they magically remove every toxin or replace the work of your liver and kidneys. Instead, they provide nutrients and plant compounds that help the body carry out its own normal protective and waste processing functions more effectively. Roast broccoli, add cabbage to stir-fries, mash cauliflower, or cook Brussels sprouts until their edges become crisp. If you dislike one variety, experiment with another preparation method. Including cruciferous vegetables several times each week offers benefits that ordinary vitamin supplements cannot fully reproduce. Food number 3 is often misunderstood because of the word sweet, but it can provide satisfying energy, valuable fiber, and a nutrient your eyes and immune system need. For healthy vision, stronger immunity, and steadier energy, sweet potatoes are a nourishing carbohydrate choice. They provide fiber, potassium, and large amounts of beta-carotene, which the body can convert into vitamin A. This vitamin supports normal vision, immune function, skin health, and the maintenance of tissues throughout the body. Unlike many refined carbohydrate foods, sweet potatoes come naturally packaged with fiber and water. This helps them digest more gradually and makes them more satisfying. Their natural sweetness can also make healthy meals feel more enjoyable, which is important when building eating habits that you can realistically maintain over time. Bake them, roast them, add them to soups, or serve them with eggs, salmon, chicken, beans, or Greek yogurt. Keep the skin when possible for additional fiber. What often makes a sweet potato less healthy is not the potato itself, but the excessive sugar, syrup, butter, or processed toppings added to it. Food number 2 may be small enough to fit in your palm, but it contains a concentrated mixture of healthy fats, minerals, fiber, and plant protein that your heart, brain, and muscles can use. For heart health, brain support, and fewer cravings, nuts and seeds are powerful foods to include in modest portions. Walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds provide healthy fats, fiber, plant protein, magnesium, and vitamin E, although each variety offers a slightly different nutritional advantage. Walnuts contain plant-based omega-3 fats, while pumpkin seeds provide useful amounts of magnesium and zinc. Because nuts and seeds combine fat, protein, and fiber, they digest gradually and can make meals or snacks more satisfying, potentially reducing the temptation to keep reaching for refined or heavily processed foods. Add a small handful of nuts to yogurt, sprinkle chia or ground flaxseed over oats, or use pumpkin seeds on salads. Choose plain or lightly salted varieties instead of sugar-coated options. Because they are calorie-dense, you only need a modest portion to receive their nutritional and appetite-supporting benefits. And now, we have reached food number 1. It does not provide a large amount of protein, fiber, or carbohydrates, but it can improve the nutritional value, flavor, and satisfaction of many other foods on this list. For healthier arteries, a balanced inflammatory response, and better nutrient absorption, extra virgin olive oil is one of the most valuable fats to use regularly. It provides monounsaturated fat, along with natural antioxidant compounds called polyphenols, which may help protect blood vessels and support cardiovascular health. Olive oil can also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins and beneficial plant compounds from vegetables. A salad containing tomatoes, leafy greens, carrots, or peppers may become nutritionally more useful when a moderate amount of healthy fat is eaten with it instead of using a fat-free dressing. Use extra virgin olive oil for salad dressings, drizzling over cooked vegetables, or everyday cooking at appropriate temperatures. It should not be treated like medicine or consumed by the glass. Its greatest value appears when it replaces less nutritious fats and helps you enjoy vegetables, beans, and whole foods more often. The healthiest diet is not built around one miracle ingredient. It is created by the foods you return to week after week. Eggs and Greek yogurt provide protein. Oats, beans, fruits, and vegetables provide fiber. Salmon, avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil provide nourishing fats that support many functions throughout the body. You do not need to buy all 12 foods today or eat every one of them daily. Start with 3 or 4 that already fit your lifestyle, budget, and preferences. Then gradually add more variety. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to give your body useful nutrients often enough to grow stronger and function better. A healthy weekly routine can be simple. You might eat eggs twice, salmon once, beans in 2 meals, leafy greens with dinner, berries with yogurt, and nuts as a snack. Small choices like these can create a broad nutritional foundation without requiring strict meal plans, expensive products, or extreme restrictions. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 12 foods do you already eat every week, and which one will you add to your next grocery list? Your answer may reveal the easiest improvement for your own routine, and it may also help another viewer discover a simple place to begin. And if this video helped you understand healthy eating in a simpler and more practical way, subscribe to Healthy Grams and turn on notifications. We share powerful foods, clear nutrition habits, and realistic strategies that support healthy weight management, better energy, stronger muscles, and long-term health. Remember, your health is not shaped by one perfect meal. It is shaped by the simple choices you repeat every week. Choose nourishing foods. Build a routine you can maintain, and give your body the support it needs to become stronger, healthier, and better prepared for the years ahead.